It is working. Bigger, beefier controller, 66 volts. It's noisy because there's no encoder. Maximum RPM. It quiets down once it knows no load. Did you do the learning thing on here, or you didn't have to?
No, this is a dumb controller.
It is spinning. I couldn't even try to stop that thing. It's pretty powerful.
Measure the current.
Yep. It's looking good. No bad smells. Alright, encoder wires, I think we figured out, are either, where's that wire with the encoder? Oh, here's one. Alright, you could stop the spinning. We think it's this one. There's only 3 wires on here. Charlie, maybe you can help me figure that out. And then the other side, is that DB9 connector over here? Where'd that go? That's the other side. On a DB9 connector, I've never seen an encoder on a DB9, but I guess it could have been done.